We have a 2020 Hellcat Charger over here. The customer, when he came through, he just wanted some tips today. He went with these 5-inch forged carbon Gexhaust tips, available at gexhaust.com. Guys, we could ship it straight to your door. I'm also gonna have you hear it. All right, check out the links in the description. We're also franchising. We also have merch at muffed.com. Let me know what you guys think. I forgot to mention this earlier. It just advised me it isn't just a mid muffler delete. It has upper pulleys, lower pulleys, running E85 and racing spark plugs. This thing sounds like crazy. Yo, listen to this.